Hey guys, Sniping Dog here, bringing you another tutorial for RPG Maker VX Ace. And in this tutorial, I'm going to make a slightly complex rock on button and person on button puzzle. And just to show you, this is what you're going to be making. Whoa, too loud. Just messed it up. Okay, so how you do that is that you'll need to create this. These two events are optional. This is just the gate, and this is just the debug. You'll want to create two events here. We'll start with the button. Yeah, 3. The button, you just want it to be below character and be able to go through. So walking animation through, action button below character, nothing else, and then the same thing on this for this one. Below character, action button, walking animation through it for this one is optional, but in this time put switch button on. Create a new switch, name it button on. Or anything you want. Next, we'll go with the rock boulder. Name it the event whatever you want. In this case, I'm naming it rock. You can have it on action button or player touch. I'm going to have it on player touch, and then have it set to this. So have it play the sound effect Earth 4 or any sound effect you want. I'm using Earth 4, which sounds like that. And then make it move away from the player. Apply. And yeah. Okay. Now we'll go for this one. This one, create 4 variables, player X, player Y, rock X, and rock Y. Set the player X to be player's map X. So it will be look like this. Just go to game data, double click that, or ... player map X, not screen X, not direction, map X. And then player Y, player's map Y, and then you can also do it with events. So do rock X to be the event's rock, so that to be the where it is on the map. So map X, and then rock Y, rock's map Y. When the player steps on the button on, so we'll want it to so create 2 conditional branch, one inside the other, and have else set handling when conditions do not apply unchecked, and have player X is equal to somewhere. So in this case it's 6. So when I hover over this, hold on, so this event's map X is 6, and then its Y would be 11. So player X, player Y would be 11. Same thing. And then inside that, you could do 2 things. You can make it the same as this, or you could do how I did it and go, you get off of me, and then make them move off. So you have to push the rock on. When you push the rock on it, have it still set to the same thing, and make it play, and then have another event with you necessarily don't need that, and then just have place play sound effect key, and then control switches button on. So that will make the button look pressed, and then that disappear. And then outside of that variable, make sure these two to have set handling when conditions do not apply. And just make this one jump to label, and then have the label here. And this one is our statement. So this one would be label A. So then it would make the button pop off, and then the diamond crystal reappear, like I'll demonstrate here. So yeah, you won't be able to get onto it. And then there. So when you push it off, it will pop back on. And I just pushed it out, so I'm going to reset it. See? There. Pop off. It reappears. So, that's basically all to it, really. And the best part is that you could just have that all in one event as well. But just if you're gonna have multiple rocks, make sure you have like one event for have it so set the variables for each of those rocks for this section here. The player you could just leave the same. So yeah, this has been how to make buttons, or I'm not sure what you would call this, how to make rock boulder on button puzzle. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, or if you found this video helpful, and subscribe. Bye.